what it do, man? What it do? You see, I got that Pro Black, that 18 Pro Black special inmate back on the lift. You know what I'm saying? As promised, Chevy always gonna do what Chevy say he gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Boom! You know what those is right there? That's them exhaust gaskets. You know what I'm saying? We about to fix that exhaust leak right now. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna wait till next week or wait till. No. We're gonna fix it right now, you know what I'm saying? So I pulled that thing back on the lift. About to get to it, man. Alright, man, it is not a game, man. You see, I got the exhaust off. I got the old. I got the old donut out. It looks like shit. I got the new one right here. You know what I'm saying? We about to do the front and the back. The back wasn't leaking, but the front was leaking, and I got it off, so you might as well do the front and the back. Yes, sir! Alright, man, let's start this thing up, man. Got the exhaust on. Got the O2 systems hooked up. Let's start this thing up. Hold on, man. I gotta hook the other side back up. Alright, we got the other side back up. Let's go! It for now for this video. That's gonna be a wrap. You see, I got the exhaust gaskets redone, took the old ones out, put the new ones in. Next up, we're gonna be doing a 3-hole oil change on this thing. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do the engine oil, transmission, and primary, and we're gonna change all the gaskets too. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have to go to Harley and pick up some fluids
get some gaskets, and then we're gonna drain all the fluids and get that knocked out, you know what I'm saying, man? But like I said, man, if you ain't already done so, hit that subscribe button. If you ain't already done so, hit that link in the description below. Go ahead over to the raffle site, get you a ticket or two. 50 bucks will enter you for a chance to win my 2018 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special with only 3,400 miles, you know what I'm saying? 3,000 miles, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. See that one there? She's still waiting on High Octane to come pick her up. Yes, sir, man. But where we going to next, man? Where we going to next? What state will Chevy be pulling up to next with this thing? Or is you gonna come to Merlin and come pick it up? You know what I'm saying? Either or, whichever you prefer, it don't really matter to me. You know what I'm saying? I got a transporter here, bring it straight to your front door, and then I come out there and we make a video so everybody can see that Chevy is delivering the things too. You know what I'm saying? Until later or next time, man. It's Chevy, baby.